Hello. I don't think it was focused. Hello. So being outside, I dropped my phone. Gave like a little crack. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, right there. Now it is a small crack, but you know, eventually it's gonna start getting bigger and bigger. So we're just gonna Best Buy and we'll get another one. So we're gonna see what happens, because I know the only way to buy stuff at Best Buy right now is curbside, and we're just gonna wait for them to bring it out to the car. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So we just go in the car.
Yeah, they tell you where to go if they go for pickup.
Oh, right here with that person?
Yeah.
Just gonna go straight down. Do you see where that arrow is?
Yeah.
Go to make a right. As soon as you park, just check in on your phone. That'll let us know you're here.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, is there any more fucking signs? Oh, yeah, I parked here. Oh, we can park at 12.
Park at
Like
12.
distance between them. I parked here at 6. That's fine.
What do you say? We have to get on my phone.
Yeah, you have to get out your phone and on the app. You tell them that you're here.
What color did you say?
In dark gray. In a dark gray car. Mid-size car, whatever.
Gray.
Pickup number 12.
You checked already?
No.
You checked in?
No,
Oh,
yeah,
I'm
we
checking
just
it right
checking
now.
in.
Yeah.
Okay, you are going to be in curbside at 12, I believe.
Yeah.
What was the item?
It was a Zag Invis Shield.
Invis Shield?
Yes.
Yeah, so right there, just put curbside 12 right there on the bottom, that little text box.
Oh, okay.
Let's do that. And just put 12, and I'll bring it out to you right now.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Alfredo?
Yeah.
You have two, put it in the back.
Oh, right here.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All
No problem,
thanks.
guys.
So we're back, and I bought a new screen protector. I've never heard about this brand, Armor Edge, maybe because I don't buy a lot of screen protectors, not really do any research about them. But the first thing I might have to do is remove this one. Here's a screen protector. See, trying to take it off. I might have to take off my. Oh, here it comes out. Ah, it cracked. It cracked from where it broke. Let's see if I can put it this way. Very careful. No, it's sticking again. No, I don't want you to stick. So here's the new screen protector. Armor Edge. Okay. Let's see what comes in here. Dust sticker remover. Wipe you with screen cleaner. Place phone face up here. Oh, I can't even see it. I'm like, where is it? It's right here. Let's see. Oh, this is weird. Some instructions. So like that. First, I'm gonna clean the screen. I'm gonna wipe it. Okay. Up and down. Take off all the. Did I just touch it with my fingers again? Come on. I'm not supposed to touch the screen with my fingers. Dust remover sticker. So we just peel the sticker off. Place the sticker. Oops. Just place it. Put it on it. Peel this pretty quick. And peel this one. Let's push it down. Okay. Put it in the middle. Is it even sticking? fully closed. It's fully closed. Now I'm gonna press. I want to try to open it. I don't think it sticked. Did it stick? No, it didn't stick. Wow, it did not stick. Where did I go wrong? What? No. Really? Well, I guess they were a little confused. What just happened? That's weird. Stay with this. Put my thing back on. So, brand new. So that was Armor Edge. So it went from a nice little quick video of my dogs being outside the front to me breaking my phone and having to go get a new one and installing it. Well, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.